Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management and service counter selling skills in under like 120 seconds. So, you want to drive productivity in your shop? Here are 2 things that you can do that are super easy. Number 1, create a production board out in the shop where everybody can see it every day, and get really diligent and really consistent about putting every technician's numbers on that board so we can all see what each other is doing during the week. Who's behind, who's ahead, create a little bit of internal competition. That's number 1. Number 2, create goal setting sessions. And this can be toolbox talks, right? I can talk. Toolbox talks every day, every week, where you say to the technician, look, here's the best day you've ever had. Here's the best week you've ever had. Here's the most billable hours you've ever had in a pay period. How close do you think you can get to that this week? Let them give you the number, put that number on the board, and every day put their billable hours up on that board so they can see how they're tracking. If they fall behind, keep the same goal. If they hit the goal, keep the same goal for up to 4 weeks. Once they get consistent with hitting that goal, you can raise that target. So number 1, track productivity hours in the shop where everybody can visually see it. And number 2, goal set with every one of your employees individually. Have one-on-one conversations. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.